Hello everyone, welcome to this video in which we are going to talk about that how can you make sure that there are no viruses on your PC, or how can you delete all the viruses from your Windows PC. So Windows PC basically comes with a Windows security feature that automatically scans for viruses onto your system, and if there are any of the threats, it recommends you to take actions on them. So this is actually a very important feature of Windows. In this video, we are going to see that how can we exactly use this feature for our betterment. So the first step is you need to go to this taskbar and open up this Windows security that is actually right now showing me actions recommended. So it is actually another important feature of Windows security, wherein any of the actions, if there is any other threats, then it recommends you to take some actions. So in my case, it is recommending me some actions. So let's see what is the actions it is recommending. Here I get security at a glance, which is virus and threat protection. That's where it is recommending me some actions to set up a OneDrive, which is something that you can ignore for now. So let me just dismiss this, and now you can see that my computer is secured. Okay, so let us just click on this. Right now if you see, I'm getting an option of a quick scan. So quick scan actually quickly scans through all your files, and if there are any of the threats, then it reports you those threats. Right now if you see, no current threats were found, and last scan was done yesterday, that is 28th of February 2023 at 6:40 p.m. It was a quick scan and 0 threats were found. This was the scan duration, and these were the number of the files scanned. So let's just click on quick scan. This will actually start a quick scan. So this is going to take 4 to 5 minutes of time. In my case, it took around 6 minutes, 6.5 minutes. It actually depends on the number of the files that your system is scanning. So once the scan is done, you will get a report that if there are any threats onto your system. In the meantime, what we are going to do is just right click on the start button and click on run, or you can press Windows R from your keyboard as well to bring up this run menu. Then in this run menu, type clean mgr. That is a clean manager, clean mgr. Click on OK. So this will bring up a disk cleanup. Just select the disk drive on which your operating system is installed. In my case, I have 3 drives, C, D and E, but my operating system is installed in the C drive. So I'm just going to select my C drive. Again, click on OK. Then what happens is, it gives me some of the information. This information is actually some of the temporary files that are available. So just select all the files that you can see, which are actually giving you some of the memory, like temporary internet files is 7.93 MB in my case, delivery optimization file is 1.25 MB, temporary file is 3.2 MB, and thumbnails is 16 MB. So this is actually some of the cache that the disk creates for itself, along with a possibility of viruses as well in the temporary files. So make sure all these files are selected. How can you make sure all of them are selected? Make sure that this 28.4 MB is the same 28.4 MB over here. This and this value should match. Click on OK. Click on delete files. So it is going to delete some of the files for you. Meanwhile, we have got our scan results as well. And as you can see in the notification, no new threats were found. So let's just click on the notification. So, okay. Let's just go to home and select the results of the scan. So scan lasted in 1 minute and 47 seconds. This was my latest scan, and this one is the amount of the files scanned, and there was no current threats. So that's it for this video. That's how you can make sure your computer is free from viruses, especially a Windows PC.